Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Ramnani. I work as a Salesforce developer in an IT company. There's a lot of boom going on, hype going on for the Salesforce as a CRM, and I have pretty much knowledge regarding Salesforce CRM in the admin part and a Salesforce part. I am certified Salesforce admin as well as certified developer. So I thought why not to share this knowledge with everyone. So what I am going to do is to create a series of a Salesforce by providing you practical knowledge regarding the Salesforce, what is CRM, what is Salesforce, and not going to bore you by much of the theoretical part. We will do practical sessions as well in this tutorial and try to keep the video as short as possible. So let's start with CRM. What is CRM? CRM basically stands for Customer Relationship Management. Any tactics, any skills requires to gain the knowledge regarding your customer is known as Customer Relationship Management. Basically, it is the process of building relationship with your customer to get the knowledge regarding your customer, what the customer is interested in, what the customer is searching for. On this kind of process is known as CRM. Okay, so what Salesforce does here is Salesforce is basically a company which is based in America, and Salesforce is a CRM. It is a automation tool which contains all your customer information, and it will provide you various kind of tactics to build relationship, to gain more and more knowledge, to provide more and more facilities to your customer. This is just a short information regarding customer relationship management, as I am not going to bore you by much of lengthy process. You can search online and learn more about customer relationship management. Basically, gaining information regarding your customer and making transaction with your customer, making happy your customer is known as customer relationship. Now there are more CRMs, various companies for the CRM, but why we are learning about Salesforce? Okay, so we can see here that following big companies are using Salesforce, like Spotify, Amazon, US Bank, Toyota. Various companies are using as a Salesforce as a CRM, and they are trying to build better relationship with their customers. They are trying to get more and more information regarding their customer, trying to gain knowledge about customer and try to satisfy them. So this was a short video and a demo of what we are going to learn in upcoming days regarding the Salesforce as a CRM. Thank you everyone. Namaste ji. Bye bye.